Oh shit, he just took a massive spin. He just went, like, if there had been a car there on the other side of the road, he would have hit him for sure.
So, this is just crazy right now. I can't even, I wish I could explain it some other way. Like, there's just hail. Hail everywhere. Hail. Just, what's up, dog?
Oh my, dude, these people are like, what the hell?
This shit is dope.
Yeah, it may take me a while to get back to the ground.
We'll probably be straight, but like, I can't imagine like people still on the highway.
Yeah, people like trying to come home
On
right
this
now.
road, at least I can drive, you know, on the highway.
Why are there people just standing in the middle of the street? Like not trying to get across, they're just standing in the middle of the street. What is going on? He has a camera right now. Hey! He's taking a video of University Down. I mean, University Boulevard, I don't know.
My hand.
Get my kill.